Hello students, hello professor. This is week 2 and today I'm going to talk about my company Stevia Plus and industry analysis and structure of business. So first I would like to talk about historical aspect, how Stevia was founded in Russia. So I researched that in the late 70s, Soviet Union adopted and founded the program Stevia. Under the program, Stevia was supposed to be food for astronauts, um, submarines, military, and elite government officials. All the best products in Russia have been developed in the military industrial complex, and therefore all the products information about it was a secret. But after the collapse of the Soviet Union, a public stevia research institute was opened in Voronezh. Now I'm going to talk about industry overview. So Stevia Plus is a new health food supplement company, and according to North American industry classification system, supplement product is cataloged under the 446191 product codes, and standard industrial classification code is 5499. Also, I did some research about industry classification in Russia. So in the Russian industry classification system, it is cataloged under number 51.38, and the name is wholesale for other food products not included to other groups. So Stevia Plus is established in Vladivostok. Actually, it's a Russian port city situated on the Pacific coast. It makes a strategic location for distribution for nearby cities such as Ussuraysk, Artyom, and Nakhodka. Now I'm going to talk about competition. So on the Russian market, artificial sweetness products available from 20 countries. However, the main producing countries whose products are imported to Russia are France, China, Finland, and Germany. All sugar substitutes we can divide in two groups. It's natural and synthetic. The most common synthetic sweetener, aspartame, it's nearly 200 times sweeter than sugar. Aspartame is about 25% of the world, and the artificial sweeteners used in the production of more than 5,000 items of food and beverage. So in Russian pharmacy, you can buy aspartame around $2 per pack. But under certain conditions, aspartame is considered as one of the most harmful sweeteners, because if you use for long term, you will get like different disease like headache, allergies, depressions, insomnia, or even cancer. I think it's a big disadvantage. Next, I'm going to talk about natural sweeteners. So the most popular natural sweetener in Russia is fructose. Fructose is sweeter than sugar in 1.7 times, almost in 2 times. But fructose is not a dietary product because they have almost the same calorie as sugar. So, moreover, some experts linked the obesity epidemic, for example, in the United States, with the use of fructose. And average price for 1 pound is around $4.50. Now I'm going to talk about structure of business, and I think that the most appropriate structure of business for Stevia Plus is the limited liability company. Firstly, the main reason for choosing the classification of limited liability company is that the owner has limited liability. Consequently, if banks or suppliers have claim against the corporate assets, they will not affect the personal assets of the owner. The second reason, according to Russian law, the minimum owner's equity shall not be less than $350, and the number of participants may be limited to a single founder and up to 50 people. And the third reasons, the existence, the limited liability company does not require issuance of shares, which simplifies the basic procedure of registration. And, finally, I'm going to talk about organizational chart. So Stevia Plus is using a functional organizational structure which is divided into three major divisions. It's accounting, operation, and marketing. And the owner focus on decision making about finance activities. Thank you for watching my video, and bye.